Yeah, good afternoon everyone. So my name is Yakshit. So I am from the team Health Stack 103. So our project is a self-healing multi-agent autonomous workflow system that built for the enterprise automation. So in many organization, workflow like that assignment tracking and follow-ups are still manual, so time consuming and error prone. Our system solves this by using multiple agents that can execute workflow end to end with minimal human intervention. So instead of single chatbot, so we design a multi-agent system where each agent has a specific role. The system can extract tasks, execute them, monitor progress, detect failure, and even self correct automatically. So let us go into the architecture of the our workflow. So this is our the system architecture. So at the center we have a orchestrator agent which act as the brain of the system. It coordinates multiple specialized agents like task agent that extract the task and the decision from the input. Then another one is the execution agent that perform actions using tool like GitHub, Notion, and the Slack. And one is the monitoring agent, so that tracks the progress and the detect the issue. If any issue is detected, the system triggers a self-healing mechanism, which can reassign and or re-escalate the task. So this create a feedback loop back to the orchestrator, so it's enabling the autonomous recovery. So we also maintain a context layer, so which include memory rack based Slack history and the audit logs. So this ensures that the system is context aware and full traceable. So that workflow example, if I take an workflow example, for example, if an user says fix login bug and deploy by Friday, the system automatically extract the task assign the owners and track the deadline. So and monitor the progress and takes the action if delay occurs. So let us go through into the code. So this one is the code. So this one is the code. Let us take an now I will briefly show the that core implementation of this our idea. So this is our agent.ts which handle the main AI processing. So here we define the process age message. So function which act as a entry point. So it perform multiple steps. So first it will retrieve the memory using our mem0 integration. So another it perform another one is then it applies a rack to fetch relevant Slack history. So then it build context for the LLM. So we also define tool integration like Slack action, GitHub, and Notion using MCP. The model can automatically call this tool when needed. So finally we response is generated and stored, and so new memory is saved for the future interaction. Now let us go through the another one is orchestrator.ts. So this one is orchestrator.ts. This file handle the orchestrational logics. So it decide which agent should act as at each step of the workflow. It also manages a task flow, handle retries, and ensure coordination between the agent. This is what enables our system to move from simple chatbot to fully autonomous workflow engine. So then another one is the so next is the auditability and self-healing. So every action is the system is logged with the timestamp agent and a reasoning. So this ensure that the full auditability and the transparency. So if any failure occurs, the monitoring agent detects it and system automatically and take corrective actions. For in summary, our system transforms and chatbot into the into an autonomous enterprise worker. So it reduces the manual effort, improves the efficiency, and ensures the reliable workflow execution. So thank you.